What's good? BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Boxing, man. Long awaited. This shoe's been long awaited for I don't know how many years. I'm waiting for this shit to come out. Let's get right into it. Jordan 4 Retro, cool gray, chrome, dark charcoal, size 13. I'll flip the top open. Ooh, the cool gray 4s. Cool gray 4s. That's right. That's right. Damn it. But yeah, man, I wanted this pair to come out for a while. I didn't want to get a pair from 04. Probably come apart by now. But let me take these out the box. So here you have it, the cool gray 4s. Pretty simple. All over cool gray, white midsole, black outsole, and little hits of yellow. I love these little hits of yellow. They kind of pop a little bit. Chrome in the back with the Jumpman logo. Take this plastic part out. Behind the tongue, Air Jordan in yellow. The lettering is white. Wait, no, the lettering is yellow too. Never mind. And the insole is black. White Jumpman, size 13. Now, I've seen many reviews on this, so this won't be anything new. I'm sure you guys saw the reviews. Just giving you guys a quick look at these 4s. I love them already. I can't wait to put them on, start wearing them. And I bought these black laces because I saw Mike Rich do a lace swap. And now I'm very curious as to how they look with black laces. Especially, I guess, for me. I wanted to try it out. So I'm going to go do that. And I'll be right back. Okay, so this is how they look with black laces. I think it kind of looks better. The only problem is, I bought the black laces in 54 inch. And over here, as you can see, like, I lined them both up. And this is still like a foot off. So I'm probably just going to have to get longer black laces. I mean, it's not worth sending them back, because the laces are only like $5, but this is how they look. And I might have to reorder some black laces, because I like this look better. But you know, there you have it. The cool gray 4s. Give you another 360 look at them. Also, correction: the inside of this is gray. It's not black. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.